Looking for the best sexting apps in 2025 that actually keep your spicy chats private? This video reveals the ultimate solutions, especially crucial with mainstream platforms like Meta cracking down hard on intimate content. It's shocking how many apps compromise your privacy, but we've uncovered 5 game changers designed for discretion and peace of mind. You'll want to check the description right away for links to these apps, because truly safe sexting is the new safe sex. Number 1. AdultFriendFinder, a surprising choice. This app is a reader favorite for casual connections and is incredibly effective for immediate, no-strings-attached digital foreplay. The sheer volume of users means you'll always find someone to connect with. Number 2. Tinder, while known for dating, its unexpected effectiveness as a hookup finder makes it a top pick to initiate those flirty conversations before moving to a more secure platform. Discover how to leverage it for your spiciest exchanges with a wide audience. Number 3. Hinge, surprisingly popular for fostering regular meetups. Hinge also excels at building deeper connections that often naturally lead to more intimate, trusted sexting relationships. It's ideal for those who prefer rapport before bearing all. Number 4. Pure, often overlooked. Pure emerges as the unequivocal best dating app specifically for finding sexting partners, emphasizing immediate, discreet connections that vanish after a short time. Its revolutionary design prioritizes your privacy like no other. Number 5. Signal, the ultimate security revelation. After years, Signal has become the new gold standard for secure messaging, offering open-source encryption and foolproof disappearing messages. Don't send anything sensitive without it. This definitive guide ensures your intimate moments stay truly yours in 2025.